Ashraf, and today I will tell you how to put sound effects in Scratch. So first you need to open the Scratch in the Google. You can open this or type in Scratch, or else you can download the app. First we have to take the one flat click button and we'll put it here in the workspace. And then we will go to the sound. And here I'll take this place sound meow until done. Now look what happens. Now I want it to say what I say it to. So what I will do is I will go like this and then I will press record. Hi friends, how are you? I'll just press save and then I will select this as recording and then I will hi friends, how are you? Now I wanted to say many times the same thing. So what I will do is I will put it here and I will go to control and I will take this forever button here and then put it here and then just put it in the one flat click button. Okay? Now let's see. Hi friends, how are you? Hi friends, how are you? Now I wanted to stop in between for 2 seconds. All I need to do is take this button and then whichever second I want, I will just press here. I want 2 seconds and then I will press it here. I will put it here and look what happens now. Hi friends, how are you? Hope you all have enjoyed and I hope you all have understand this as how to put sound effects on Scratch. Please like and subscribe for more Scratch videos and many other videos too.